and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Teacher Malu, your favorite Bisaya teacher from the Philippines. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa channel na ito, pakipindot na din po at pakilike na rin. In today's lesson, tatalakayin po natin on how to use this modal verb. But before we proceed to our discussion, let us pronounce this first. Wood. 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 It's the same as nakahoy. Wood. 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 Okay, para hindi po tayo malito, may mga rules po tayo na dapat natin sundin. The modal verb would do not change their form kahit na ang pangyayari po ay nasa past, present, at sa future. Hindi ka pwede magdagdag ng S like woods. Hindi ka pwede magdagdag ng ED like wooded or ING like wooding. Again, do not change the spelling. Ang first rule is subject plus verb plus yung main verb po natin. For example, I would go to church every Saturday. So dapat po, tapos niyo po ng would, isunod din na po agad yung ating verb. Paano po kung negative yung form? So ganito po yung pattern niya. Would not plus yung main verb. For example, I would not go to the mall every Saturday. Hindi po nauna ang not. Dapat po, ang not ay kasunod lamang sa modal verb na would. So, I would not go to the mall every Saturday. Okay? Pero kung gusto niyo naman po maging natural at parang native speaker, you can use contraction. So instead of they would, pwede niyo pong sabihin na they'd. Okay? Say with me. They'd, 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 they'd. Would. Instead of we, would, we'd. Okay, say with me. We'd, we'd, we'd. Instead of I would, ito ay magiging I'd, I'd, I'd. Instead of she would, she'd, she'd, she'd. He'd, he'd, he'd. For it would, eaten, eaten, eaten. For the you would, you'd, you'd, you'd. Let's proceed to number 2. Would like. Ito po yung polite words to say, I want. So instead of sabihin mo na I want, yung gagamitin niyo po ay I would like to buy a present for my boyfriend. So, or I want to buy a present for my boyfriend. Next, I'd like to spend time with you. Or I want to spend time with you. And be very careful po ha, kapag may want, hindi po pwede na I want like. Okay? I want lang po. So kung would, may like. So I would like. So instead of saying I want, I would like po yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So ang pattern po na yan ay always would like. Plus yung infinitive. So, ano po yung infinitive? Huwag po natin kalimutan na ang infinitive po ay iyan po ang to plus verb is like to go, to run, to walk. Okay? Pero pag-usapan naman natin yung common mistakes natin. For example, I would like eating pizza with hot sauce. Bakit po naging error po yan? May would naman. At saka may like naman. At meron din tayong verb na eating. Ano po kayang mali dyan? Easy po tayo. But, balik tayo sa ating pattern or sa ating rule. Diba? Tandaan natin na ang rule ay would like plus infinitive. At yung infinitive natin ay to plus yung verb na walang ing. Okay? So, would like plus infinitive, hindi po ing. So, ano po kayang tama dyan? To correct this error, ito ay magiging, I would like to eat pizza with hot sauce. Would you like to eat a spaghetti or me? Would you like to eat a spaghetti or me? So, of course, huwag niyo lang ako isali dyan. I would like to eat a spaghetti. Yun po ang sagot. Would you like to spend quality time with me? Yung mga Pinoy, di ba, gusto natin magalang tayo sa ating pananalita. So, now is, kung gusto po nating maging polite, so gamitin po natin ito para maiwasan ang gulo. Would you mind plus verb na may ing. Para na ito ay katumbas po ito ng can you please? So, once again, isulat niyo po yan para hindi niyo po makalimutan. First example, would you mind passing me that bottle over there? Sa Bisaya pa, nanubo ka. Would you mind passing me that bottle over there? So, instead of sasabihin niyo po na, can you please pass me that bottle over there? So, pwede niyo po yun sasabihin, would you mind? Okay? Next is, would you mind watching my bag for a few minutes? Or, ito po yung, can you please watch my bag for a few minutes? Would you mind helping me? Or, can you please help me? Next is yung hypothetical situation in the present or future. So, ano naman po yung hypothetical? Hypothetical, ito po yung mga kuro-kuro or mga sitwasyon na hindi naman talaga nangyayari or mga katang-isip lamang po natin. Ang pattern po dyan ay would plus. For example, if I had a lot of money, I would travel around the world. Bakit po naging hypothetical ito? Bakit? Marami ba akong pera? Wala, di ba? Nakapag-travel ba ako around the world? Hindi naman. If he tried his best, he would be successful. Bakit? Did he try his best? Hindi po. Is he successful? Hindi rin siya naging successful. Next, if I had more money, I would treat you to a decent meal. Bakit? May maraming pera ba po ako? Wala po. Can I treat you a decent meal? Diba? So mga katang-isip lang po lamang yan. Kuro-kuro lang po yan. So tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig tayong magbigay ng advice. Diba? So may pattern din po tayo dyan. If I were you, plus would, plus verb. So, for example, may kausap ako. Sabihin ko, I'm so nervous. Tomorrow will be my interview. So, sasabihin mo sa akin, if I were you, I would stay calm and be confident. So, di ba, nagbibigay ka ng payo sa akin para mawala yung takot ko, para mawala yung kaba ko for my interview tomorrow. Another, I would like to spend my vacation in Boracay. Oh, really? If I were you, I would book my reservations now. O, so, di ba? Nabibigay ka ng payo para sa akin na kung gusto kong pumunta doon sa Boracay, dapat magpabook na ako ng reservation. Siguro sa hotel or whatsoever. Next is yung hypothetical past situations. Ano yung pattern niya? Would have plus yung past participle. So, ano naman po yung past participle? Example, yung present tense, past tense, at saka yung past participle. Sing, sung, sung. Break, broke, broken. Okay? Yun po yung past participle. For example, if I had gone to bed earlier, I wouldn't have been so tired. Bakit? Natulog ba siya ng maaga? Hindi, di ba? Hindi ba siya pagod? Hindi. Kasi pagod na pagod. Okay? So next, if the train hadn't been late, we would arrive on time. So bakit dumating ba ng maaga yung train? 'Di ba? Hindi. Dumating ba sila ng maaga sa kanilang pupuntahan? 'Di ba? Hindi rin. Na-late nga sila, 'di ba? So next is a polite excuse. Yan, mahilig tayo sa mga excuses. So, para hindi po masyadong halata, so, sundin po natin ito. So, would plus love to. Okay? So, for example, may kausap ka sa phone at gusto talaga niyang magtilibabad. Ikaw ay pagod na pagod kasi, yun nga, napaka-workaholic natin. So, ito yung sasabihin mo. I would love to, but I have to wake up early tomorrow. Sana po ay may natutunan po kayo. And sa muli, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel at bisitahin niyo po yan. And once again, dali ang pagkataon kung ang kasing-kasing o huna-huna malipayon. Bye! And you can also watch our educational videos uploaded on our YouTube channel. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po ito, you can also share to your friends, to your loved ones, para naman mas malipayon kung daghan tang makatunan. So, once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.